Good day, everyone. Dr. Sona here from Pay Healthier Living. We want to wish you a healthier Christmas 2021, and at the same time, thanking you for being with us all throughout the year 2021. As you know, our tradition, we always end the year for you and, of course, with you with appreciation of a Christmas bag. So this year, the motto of our healthier Christmas for you is "Give me two." We'll be coming to that. Give me two is just like we want to appreciate you. You buy one product, and we give you the second one at a reduced price. You know, Christmas period is a time of giving. We know you may want to share some of the things you've been enjoying all throughout the whole year with some of your loved ones out there. That's why we want to help and support in that aspect. That you get two and pay a reduced price for the second one. That particular opportunity is limited with a few products that we know you may need and could also go a long way to help others who are out there who are not yet into the idea of a healthier living. Cutting it short to explain to you, we have these bags like you know them from last year. We have a Christmas bag, a shopping bag that you acquire when you qualify. Qualification has a volume of 10,000 francs. They offer to our faithful friends who are out of Cameroon. If you get a bag, you can tell us the destination in Cameroon and we'll send it there for you for free. The rest of us who are in Cameroon, despite all these reduced prices that we have with many of the products, you also have on a weekly basis an incentive of the week. Like this first week, starting from today, 30th of November, we have a pack of the dried coconut in addition to your bag. We had 3 pineapples today for the first day for the first 3 bags. Unfortunately, 2 are gone already. This one is remaining waiting for a recipient. These healthier fruits from the garden will always be given out in addition for free all throughout this month of December for those who will qualify for their Christmas bags. We know how hard things are out there now. It must not be a whole shopping bag. Please, with a qualification volume of 5,000 francs, there is also a classic bag that can go out to your loved ones or for yourself with all your Christmas items in it. So that one is a classic bag, have the volume of the big shopping bag. Now, the first thing you want to get for yourself and for your loved ones this Christmas is what we call the belly clean. So that is going to help you to clean your stomach. If you've not been doing it, please, it's something to adopt. So I want to help you do it naturally. Get 2, use 1 now, and maybe 1 after the festive periods, because we're not going to produce it during the month of December in a quantity that can be available for everyone. So we're giving you the opportunity to get your 2 now. 1 is 1,000 francs. 2 will go out for 1,500 francs. Why do you need to clean your stomach? We're living in a world today where much of what we take in is not organic. And even if it is organic, as food is digested, much stays in the stomach. So we need to do this regular cleansing once in a while. So do it in the natural way. The next product which is on promotion for you is our cayenne pepper powder. This one, the regular price is 3,000 francs. We're giving you 2 packets at 5,000 francs. The cocoa powder is the next one. Cocoa powder, cocoa is one of the healthiest things we have out there, with a lot of antioxidants. The best way to consume it, if you have it in concentrated form like we do here, naturally, no chemicals, no additives, just pure cocoa. You can then choose to sweeten it in your own way. So that one, a pack is 2,000 francs. We're giving you 2 packets at 3,500. Then we have a hit of the month, the dried coconut, the crispy pack with nutrients. A pack is 500 francs. We give you 3 packets for 1,000 francs. Then the plums, dried plums, we are off season now with the plums, but then we don't want you to stay away from them. It's something you can use for your salad. You can enjoy as a snack, both at home and as well as in your office. So a pack is 1,000 francs. We're giving you 2 packets at 1,500 francs. As I said, one for you, one for your loved ones. Then those who like to swallow, I had a family friend who used to call it "go in peace." Yeah. So we have the instant fufu, which is becoming more and more beloved. This is a mixture of the plantain and the unpolished rice. As you know, a pack is 1,500, but we want to give you 2 packets during this festive period at 2,500 francs. Then the moringa powder, as you can see, it's shining green organically from the pear garden. A pack is 1,000 francs. We give you 2 packets at 1,500 francs. Next product that you will not just want to consume it alone, but you certainly want your loved ones to also have a taste. During this festive period, we want to cook and have tasteful meals. But then many of you have decided not to use artificial seasoners anymore and go on with seasoning your foods naturally. That's why we have the natural food seasoner as well as on promotion. A pack is 1,500. So instead of chemicals, many of them with a lot of sodium, salt in your food, a lot of salt in your food, sugar, which normally doesn't belong in food. That's why we have the natural food seasoning here. A pack is 1,500, 2 packs then for 2,500 francs. And last but not the least, the queen of all spices together with the king of spices. Talking about the turmeric powder mixed with cayenne pepper. Sorry, not cayenne pepper, black pepper. So that one can go as tea, can go as a spice in your food. So the two together give you an experience that you may never forget when you start your day with it as a tea. So turmeric powder mixed with black pepper. 1 pack is 1,500. Sorry, 1 pack is 1,000 francs. We're giving you 2 packets at 1,500 francs. So as I said, the organic fruits from the pear garden are just an addition to the normal incentive. There will always be a weekly incentive to your Christmas bag and the fruits as much as we have them. So this was just a short information about how we've decided to give you a healthier Christmas this season. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the video, and always having in mind that prevention is better and cheaper than cure. You know where we are, Fakoshi Plaza Building, Bongo Square, Boya. You can also reach to us via phone or WhatsApp. Our phone numbers are right here. So once again, Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year in advance, and remember to take care too. So our motto, give me two. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you.